Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys how we can get cool wallpapers for your Android device. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to download the app from Play Store called Wally. So this is a free app, so you can download the app for free. So after you downloaded the app, go ahead, just open the app, and you need to press let's go. Okay, it will take some time. Close it. There we have it. So you can find various wallpapers from here, so you can pick your favorite. So in that case, let me just pick one. Okay, this one is looking cool. You can also follow the artist like this one. If you press and follow, you can follow the sorry, you need to log into your account. So I'll just go ahead and download the wallpaper. Okay, so just press on download. I agree, and here you need to choose the best fit for your device. So in this case, mine is the rectangle, so I'll just choose the rectangle one and go ahead and download. It says it's downloading right now. Kinda cool animation. Okay, after it's done, so just simply tap on set as wallpaper, and there we have it. It will take some time. Go back to the home screen. Look, there we have it, a new wallpaper. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.